At first, we have to type the extension that is named black box extension, and in the first link we will see the extension in Chrome Web Store, and then tap add to Chrome. After that, add extension. Now the extension will show at the top. You need to sign in first. I will sign up with Gmail. The sign up is done successfully. Now I'll open YouTube, and here I'll type something. I'll type Python programming. I'll open the first link, and here I can see the code, and after clicking on the extension at the top, I can copy the code directly by dragging the mouse cursor, and after I do that, I'll see a pop-up showing the text has been copied, which I'll open in Notepad, and I can see the result. Thank you.